Welcome to the Saskatchewan Association of Licensed Practical Nurses Member Services tutorial series. As part of its ongoing duties to ensure its members' compliance with annual licensure requirements, SALPN requires its members to maintain a continuing education portfolio. Each year, members are required to complete and record a specified minimum number of CEP hours determined by the length of their licensure period. SALPN's online member services allow you to update your portfolio throughout the year. This way, you can always keep your portfolio up to date and avoid a year-end scramble to find everything at once. Start by logging into the SALPN member portal at salpnv6.alinityApp.com/client using the email address you have on record with SALPN. If you can't remember your password, you can click the Forgot Your Password link to reset it. Type in your email address as well as the on-screen code and click Submit. You will be sent an email with a link that you can follow to the password reset page. Type in a new password, confirm it, and submit it. Now you should be able to log in using your email address and new password combination. If you have additional login problems, contact SALPN at 888-257-2576. Once you've logged in, you'll see your dashboard. Here you can see your current registration, as well as outstanding invoices or open audits if you have any. Using the side navigation bar, you can view your registrations or update your personal information if you've had a change of address, phone number, or need to make changes to other personal information. Updating your personal information is very similar to updating your education portfolio, so many of the techniques we demonstrate here will apply to your personal profile update as well. To update your continuing education portfolio, click on My CEP. Here you'll see previous learning portfolios, but if you're entering your first CEP hours for the year, click the green Add icon. You'll be taken to a blank portfolio form for the year, and you can immediately start adding your CEP hours. There are two sections that hours can be accrued from, and both have multiple activities within them. Select the appropriate section for the education you're claiming. Add the required information for the learning, which will change depending on the section it belongs to. For some activities, you may be required to select multiple related activities. Importantly, be sure you add the number of hours you're claiming for the education so it counts towards your total for the year. Now, type in a summary of what you learned from the activity. You should be detailed and specific about what you learned, but be concise and to the point as well. Limit yourself to the most relevant and important learnings while still providing enough information for SALPN staff to adequately assess your CEP. Finally, you can upload documentation that supports your CEP claims. If you have an electronic copy of the document, you can upload it directly into the form. You can upload PDFs, docs, and JPEGs as long as they're a maximum of 5 megabytes in size. If you have a paper copy, you'll need to scan it into an acceptable electronic form. Better yet, you can use virtually any mobile device to take a picture directly into the form. Just make sure you get a good, well-lit image that has all the relevant information clearly displayed. Blurry or unclear images may not be accepted. Once all the information for the CEP hours has been updated, go ahead and click the Submit button. Your profile will be updated and you'll be taken back to your dashboard. Now that you've added education hours, this registration year's portfolio will appear as a list item in the Continuing Education dashboard. This way, the next time you earn CEP hours, you can just click the chevron and you'll be taken to that year's form, where you can add another item as before. Keep adding items and hours as you earn them. You must meet the minimums set out by SALPN bylaws, but you aren't prohibited from completing activities beyond the minimum. 8 additional hours may be carried forward to the next licensure period. Visit the SALPN website for more information about carryover hours. Regularly updating your continuing education portfolio means you don't have to rush to update your information at renewal and helps you keep track of your annual CEP progress. If you have additional questions about this important process, please contact SALPN via email at registration@salpn.com. And thanks for watching.